Okay guys, I'm back with another video. We're about to install this Bosch SilencePlus black stainless steel dishwasher. We got so installing. I'm gonna show you guys the installation from beginning to the end. And man, I'm looking scruffy. But I said no haircut, no shave until I'm done with this project. It's been 2 months in now, and I'm towards the finish line. But yeah, we're gonna install this dishwasher. Let me show you guys what's the first thing you'll need to get before you install it. Okay guys, the first thing you're gonna need is a dishwasher installation kit. It costs about 30 bucks. Comes with every single thing you're gonna need. One of the most important pieces is this 90-degree elbow. Another important piece is this guy. It's gonna allow me to hook up to remove this old one on the hot side. Remember the hot side you wanna install this on. It's gonna allow me to remove this and install this and have a place to install the faucet and the dishwasher. So I'll run the line here, run down there and chase it there because it's going on the machine. So what comes with the dishwasher itself, well, everything's in here you need. The long line, but what comes with the dishwasher itself was the instructions, a couple sample of dishwasher liquid packets, this guy, these clamps, mounting brackets. So let's get started. The very first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this off and install the new one. So let me do that now. I'm gonna install this. It's the very first thing I'm gonna do. And then we're gonna go over here. So this is the dishwasher we're gonna be installing. After you take out the box, keep one of the foam inserts and lay it on its back on the foam inserts that it comes with. It's the model. That's the model number. And it's the SilencePlus 48 decibel, which is great. This thing is super quiet. And yeah, let's get started with the install. So just want to show you guys. This is how you want to position it to install it. We already got the place for it. We got the electrical ran already from the previous dishwasher that was here. And that's it. Okay, we're gonna take the 90-degree elbow from the kit. Let's take this off. We don't need any thread or Teflon tape here, or no thread sealer, because it has the rubber washer in here. And you definitely don't want to over tighten this. Okay, let's take this cover off. We'll install this later. Okay, let's install the hot water line, which is this black line. With this dishwasher, we're not gonna need this. Yeah, we're not gonna need this. So we're gonna screw this on in here. It's gonna seal perfectly. I use the adjustable wrench or what's called a crescent wrench to give it a little tighten. And this is a 3/8, also with the rubber inside. And it's gonna go right here. So I'm gonna come right up through there with this and that when I'm installing the water lines. But that's when I push the dishwasher in. So I'm gonna tighten this down. Let me do that now. You don't have to. You definitely don't want to over tighten it, because if you do, you're gonna mess the rubber gasket up in there. Okay, that's done. So this will be routed. So this will be routed that way through the hole in the cabinet. I'm not sure what happened to the video. It stopped recording for some reason. Well, it recorded, but it recorded just nothing, darkness. So we're gonna set this upright so I can install the drain line. But since the sink is not connected, I won't be able to connect the drain line. I'll show you guys how to connect it though. I think the legs are okay. I'll try at regular height first. And then if I have to adjust it, I'll let it up. So let's set it up on its feet, and we're gonna connect this drain hose. This end goes to the dishwasher. Okay, have it upright. Just put the blank clamp on here. Put it back some. I'm gonna install the hose facing where it's coming out at. Then I'm gonna scoot the line up. That's it. Use some pliers and just push the line up using this black clamp. And it's routed towards the hole. So let's push it in now. I have my drain line, my hot water line ready. I'm gonna bring it out through here. I'm gonna set it back there. Or I might just bring it through here as well. So both of them running through there. All right, let's push the dishwasher in place and get some electrical connections. Okay guys, when you're installing a dishwasher under a laminate countertop or any wood countertop, you want to use a vapor barrier tape, some kind of tape that protects it from mold and mildew, as the dishwasher produces steam from the drying cycle or just the use of hot water. You need a moisture barrier tape. This is great. Look at this product right here. This is a red sheeting tape. This tape is great for house wrap and is also great for a moisture barrier. Just wanted to note that, guys. Use some vapor barrier tape. Just put you some strips, and I'll show you guys in a second, but put some strips along the area of the dishwasher. Okay guys, I've covered a little bit over halfway. This is a sufficient amount of vapor barrier tape to meet the need of the dishwasher. Okay. Have my line started. I ran that up through the front. It's ready to go. Let's get the dishwasher pushed back. Okay, I got a gap here, so I'm gonna raise the wheels. So, okay, I'm gonna adjust the height with the dishwasher in place. For the back, I'm gonna pull forward and twist it out. For the front, lift up. Twist them out. Okay, that looks about even and nice. Okay, now that I'm in perfect, before I brace it down, let's do the electrical. Okay, by that was already previously a dishwasher installed here. I'm using the same setup. Has the BX cable. There's no ground because I'll ground through the BX cable, so I don't have to worry about a ground, which is the green screw. The silver screw is for the neutral. The gold screw is, of course, is for the hot, the black. So we're gonna run that inside of here. Tighten it down with the screw. Okay, there's got a couple of screws from out the package that came with the unit. I've just installed one using the drill. They lock the legs in place. So I can't reach the back one, but I'll reach these. These will lock the front legs in place. The black screws, they go right in that hole. We can put the drill on them. And they stop the leg from screwing down. Don't see how they'll screw down anyway, but. And let's put the junction box screw, put the cover on, and put the screw in place. And then we're on to the next thing. We're gonna brace it down. Okay, it's time for the brackets. You wanna pull the unit out a little. Move this out of that way. I should have put these on before I push it under here, but it's okay. I bent these up some so they can mount to the top of the countertop on the bottom side. So, here go the 4 screws we're gonna be using. So we'll use the little screws right here. The other side. Okay. We're gonna push it under here now. And we're gonna mount it up. Let's bend these all the way in. All right, let's get it pushed back in, and in place, and we're gonna mount it up. I'll show you guys how to do that. Okay, we're pretty even. Both sides. And now it's time for us to mount it. Let me open this up. Want to open the door. And there go our mounting brackets. We're going to push them up and bolt them in with the 2 screws. Okay, both of them are in. Secured. Opens and closed. Perfect, like flawless job. Okay, before we put I'm gonna install the toe panel, but since I don't have the sink hooked up, connected, or the drains or anything, I'm gonna hook the water line up, and I'm gonna hook, I'll show you guys how this goes. Guys, use the adjustable clamp that came with the dishwasher itself to install the rubber boot of the drain hose onto that extension arm. Going to install the line now. I don't even need pipe thread sealer for this. I'm just gonna tighten it with the wrench, the adjustable wrench, the little snug, and that'll be it. that's it. Okay, guys, we're done with this video. The next thing I'll be installing, guys, is this stove. It's a Samsung. Trying to see what model is it. It's the. Oh, that's weird. I don't know. Don't ask me why. It's the black stainless steel. We were gonna get a Samsung dishwasher, but we heard so many bad things about them. We just decided to go with the Bosch. You can't tell it's a Bosch unless you open it, but it goes with it's actually the black stainless. So I'll be installing this next, and then I'll be installing this guy. I gotta install the water lines for this. It's a Samsung Smart Hub freezer. It's the black stainless as well. So I'm gonna install this next. Got the kit for this for the water line. So stay tuned for the videos, guys. I'm about to install the toe panel on the dishwasher. Subscribe to the channel. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. Hit that notification bell so you guys can be notified when we upload the new content. And stay tuned. Terrence, I'm out. Oh, I'm gonna show you guys about the toe panel. It comes with 2 long screws like that. They mount up. You adjust the height here on one with the second hole. And they want it to be flush with the floor, so there it is. Got a tiny bit of space on the floor, but looks good. So just want to show you guys that.